Want to give Telegram a fresh new look? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to change the Telegram app icon on your Android device in just a few simple steps. Start by opening the Telegram app on your Android device. Before you begin, make sure you're using the latest version of the app to access all the newest customization features. Keeping the app updated also helps ensure everything works smoothly. Once Telegram is open, tap on Settings from the bottom or side menu, depending on your app layout. Scroll down through the settings page and select Chat Settings to access Telegram's appearance and customization options. Inside Chat Settings, continue scrolling until you find the App Icon section. Here you'll see a variety of built-in Telegram icon styles. These icons offer different colors and designs, allowing you to personalize how the app appears on your home screen without using any third-party launcher or icon pack. Browse through the available icon options and tap the one you like best. The selected icon will be applied instantly, so there's no need to restart the app. If you ever want to try a different look, simply return to the same section and choose another icon. After making your selection, head back to your home screen or app drawer to see the updated Telegram icon. If the change doesn't appear immediately, wait a few moments for your launcher to refresh. That's it. Your Telegram app now has a fresh new icon. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.